Today, we are going to learn about the vowel sound E. The E, like in the word eat, is produced by positioning the tongue forward and high in the mouth. The jaw is in an almost closed position. The corners of the mouth are pulled to the sides, making the lips retracted, like a wide smile. The E is tense and long in duration. Tension should be felt in the jaw, lips, and tongue, just like this.
E.
When you produce the correct E, you can feel vibration in two places. These are in the vocal cords and at the tip of your tongue in the front of your mouth. Now, let's talk about how the E sound is written in English. E. E something E. Me. These. E. Tree. E-A. Beat. I something E. Machine. E-I. Either. E-O. People. E-Y. Key. I-E. Peace. I. Ski. Kiwi. Mosquito. Unique. Fatigue. Y. Lazy. Then, let's practice the E sound in words.